Look at this beauty morning, clear sky, not even a cloud. Whew, truck is warming up. What's going on, guys? How's it going? We're headed to Toronto Boat Show today. See if we can get a boat for 2018. Whew, I'm excited. If you guys are new viewers, make sure you subscribe, hit the little bell for notifications. We have a ton of new videos coming out. We have one a day, actually. I do 7 videos a week, and there's a lot of crazy stuff going on. 2018 is gonna be a hectic year. I'm so excited. Oof. Look at this. I'm beating the sun today. All right, let's go pick up Brad and see if we can find a boat. Time to go to school, kids. We're going to the boat show. You good, Blake? All right. Let's roll. Where to?
Boat show.
We're at the boat show. We are almost near Woodstock. It's minus 13 outside. I'm wearing a dress shirt or a golf shirt because Canada. That's why. And we're gonna get a new boat today. And the muffler for the sled. So
stop scaring the horses.
Yeah, carry on.
Carry on. If you see us, this is where we are. If you can find us.
This video is live.
It's not live. So don't come looking.
Alright, we're here. Hey?
We're here.
Look at this.
Go buy a boat.
Some Tim Hortons garbage.
We're hydrated, ready to go.
Toronto. The 6. Think we could drive the boat up the street?
Yeah, we can.
Give her a whirl? Why not, right? One in Toronto.
The lake's not frozen.
Anything's possible here.
We're going test drives, I think.
Chilly. Jesus, it's bright in here. Turn on the lights, Brad.
I can't even look towards your direction.
That's why I'm wearing my sunglasses. Where are we going? The boat show? Sled show? Some sort of show?
Snowmobile show.
Snowmobile show?
All the shows you mentioned last night.
They should just have them all in one. Straight to the most expensive first. The old Malibus.
Mastercrafts.
Mastercraft.
Yeah.
Sorry. I was thinking about Malibus.
Yeah.
The old XT23. This can't be the XT23. This one's blue. This one's red.
That's the XT23.
See, I think
right on it.
They should let us do this. Boat jumping. See, that's how we know our dads used to be cool.
Yeah.
Instead of jumping cars, they jump boats. I like the color scheme of that one. Black and blue. Or black would be hot.
I love the interior. I don't think I like the exterior. I'm not a huge fishing boat flag fan.
Oh, the
sparkle.
You love the sparkles. Brooke would love the sparkles.
She would like that. I like this one. This is a sweet little gig here.
Yeah, the seats on the back for the boys.
Dude.
Put it in cruise control.
It's not even that comfortable, and it's comfortable.
It's not even that comfortable, and it's comfortable. I like that black one over there. Black Thunder. Look at these weapons. Hey, we could slap that in your boat.
Let's put one in.
The old Kawasaki.
I'll keep my boat if I can fit this in there. I don't think I could fit this part.
I think we'd have to take the back seat out so we could fit it in.
Yeah.
Then we could stand like that guy.
I go strictly by color. I like the color.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The green wet. This must be new this year. This piece of plastic.
Yeah, that's
so fish don't get ground up.
Yeah. You can wake surf with that on.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, that's what it's for.
Good. I don't know what that is, but I want it.
That's a pretty sharp prop.
That is.
Oh my god.
That'd take a tow off or two.
That would cut you up pretty quick.
Sushi? Oh, I heard about these things. So if people are shooting at you, they can't shoot your engine.
How sweet would it be if the back of your boat was like that? Get your whole boat.
There you go.
Made like this.
Bulletproof. The Moonbers?
Moonber.
I don't know about this white though. That white wouldn't be so white after.
Let's go check out that one.
We got a Super. Some Moonber. 80 grand. That's a cheap one. There we go, 85.
This is it.
They trade yours in.
This is it. 85 grand?
85 grand's cheap.
That is cheap.
Look at this thing. It's funny how many cup holders they put on boats. It's like you're not allowed to drink, but they know they want you to.
I'm going in.
This one's a Raptor. Must be a Ford.
That's the engine. Oh,
this is
it, buddy.
This is the one?
This is the one. Test her out.
Look at that, eh? I don't know though, it's got the speckles.
Just a bit.
Sparkles. You're still famous, Brad.
Look at that.
I keep putting you up there every year.
Look at the lats on that guy.
Hey, maybe you should start going to the gym again. Now we're into the nautiques. Look at the rims on this thing. Apparently these things have brick wall wakes though. So says Brad. The knowledge of Brad. Hey?
Do you want my input?
Yeah, we want your input.
Nautiques, knee breakers.
Knee breakers.
Yeah.
Especially your old man knees.
Yeah. You need Malibu, Supra, Remumba. Easy wake.
That's what he said. You heard him. Good design though.
Oh yeah. Oh, there's no doubt. They're nice.
See, they know people like to drink beer, so they put 40 cup holders in it. Little speakers on them. Little dinky speakers.
Yeah, they are, right?
Cool color schemes though. We got the red, we got the blue.
Nice.
Sparkle. Everyone's with the sparkle this year. It must be a seller.
I know. It is a seller, I think.
Yeah. Well, we couldn't decide on a boat. So we got
lunch.
Cleanest hot dog. The cleanest, driest.
I'm gonna give everybody a little tip on life. All right?
Put ketchup on everything.
Condiments are the devil. Right? I stay slim because I don't eat condiments. It's easy.
Just hot dogs.
As I'm holding my Pepsi.
Yeah.
He rolls over, kicks his leg.
What a setup.
Front.
Hangout corner.
Here, you can have the nice chair.
The NC
Go for a swim. Whew! It is chilly out here. Great day to be outside in a coat. Just grabbed my muffler from Central Marine here. Look at this thing. Way bigger than the can. She's gonna be a little quieter though. Oh well. Alright, let's see if I can find my way back. That was chilly. See you next year, boat show.
See you next year.
Woo! Alright, grab the muffler from Central Marine there. She's gonna be a little quieter, but you know, that's what happens, you know? You disturb the horses, you get in trouble. We turned it down a notch, but we're still gonna do the same stuff, so. Anyways, we're gonna go swing by LTD. They got a new Thrasher hoodie coat, reversible. It's pretty sick. And they only made 100, so if you guys want one, check out the link below. We'll show you in the video in a few minutes when we get there, but Brad, what do you think?
I totally changed every setting that I possibly could in your seat.
Good. And did you save it too?
No, how high do you sit?
My head hits
Like,
the roof.
I'm still feeling like I'm high.
I'm sitting, I feel so low
Yeah,
over here.
that's how you're supposed to
Look at
sit.
the
You're
gap.
supposed to relax.
No, this is a truck, you sit high. In a car, you sit low.
This doesn't. That's
Race
not how-
car.
I'm 6'9". I need to.
You are not 6 foot.
I'm a tall drinker of water. I need to stretch myself out.
Look at that apartment. I bet they pay $3-4 grand a month for rent looking out over the water. Swing by old LTD. Hey? The walls are looking good.
Yeah.
Just coming together. Not bad. Not bad.
Yeah, I like it. I might look into that. It's way easier than tearing.
There's Scotty's Crash Dice Championship trophy. Back in 15. He's got to win it this year. Sledded to work today in Toronto. That's hilarious. I wouldn't take it out here.
No.
I love your bike lock.
Oh, she locked up? You'll hear the whole back stairwell go.
Look at this. This is the new jacket. You want to hold her up, Brad?
Hold her up.
So it's reversible. This is the other side.
The inside.
The inside.
Not the other side.
And then this is the outside. It's blue, and then in the light it changes to purple. What a jacket. Oh. There's only 100 or so available, so if you guys want to check it out, TEAMLTD website below. I think there's a discount code. we're gonna start running these on the sled.
Get them now.
Retro thrashing.
Get them while they're hot.
Get them while they're hot. Before they become a trend. Start the trend.
We're starting it.
Bringing it back. Hey, look, Ryan. In and out. Couple things. We got Brad's new sweater.
Is that gonna fit?
Hopefully it fits Blake. Let's see if we can get home. There goes the old sunset. She's looking pretty frozen out there. We're stuck in traffic. She's starting to get dark.
Yeah.
Good shift today, Brad. We got her completed.
Got some things done, made some contacts.
Got some stuff, some things, some LTD stuff. Some people will be happy. We're happy. Well, not really. I gotta pee and we're in traffic. And we gotta make her back to London by 7. We got 2 hours. And then we got volleyball. Well, I got volleyball, so.
I gotta hit the hot tub.
Yeah, someone's gotta hit the hot tub.
Brush
You might be coming to volleyball here.
No,
we're getting tight.
I'm not going to volleyball.
They have beer there.
You buy the beer. I'm not going to volleyball.
All right, we'll see you guys later.